I have some fabulous chicken cooking in the slow cooker. It's like Indian style, a kind of curry thing. Super excited for that. Now I need to make up a whole bunch of meatballs. Slow cookers are like the greatest thing since sliced toast. So I've got some of my dumpster salvaged Herdez salsa and put that in with a beef roast I just bought. Just gotta pop the lid on there. And there is yet another frugal addition to my meal prep for my low carb. Yes, the tomatoes and whatever's in the salsa does add to the carb count, so you do have to be a little careful, but to me that's totally worth it. Plus I'm getting some veggies, and yeah, you know I'm on a dirty low carb keto journey, so it's all good. The point is, the important thing is, I'm meal prepping. I am on it, you guys. I am on it this week. Here in the fridge, I've got a whole bunch of boiled vegetables ready to just portion out as I need them, pop in the microwave. I've got a whole bunch of slow-cooked chicken ready to dish out with the vegetables, and I've even got some fabulous Parmesan that I can add to them. Next, I've got the ground beef and 2 things of ground turkey, and I'm gonna get the meatballs made. Fresh out of the oven, my low-carb meatballs. They are made with eggs, ground beef, ground turkey, garlic, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and did I say Parmesan cheese? Did I say eggs? Well, anyway, the reason that they have this stuff kind of melt down around them, that is because of using ground turkey. If you do not add ground turkey and only do ground beef, you will not get that crusty stuff. Yeah. If you overcook them, and I didn't this time, but if you overcook them, that crusty stuff actually is really yummy. But not unless you overcook it. Feeling so proud that we are doing the meal prep this week. It is happening. I've been saying it, but yeah, Frugal Mama's cooking, getting all kinds of low-carb food ready, cooked, portioned, frozen, or refrigerated. It's gonna be a great week.